Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and edit scenes in OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the Scenes panel. You'll notice a plus button there. Go ahead and click on this plus button to create a new scene. This is where you'll build different layouts for your streams or recordings. After clicking the plus button, a dialog box will appear where you can rename your scene. It's helpful to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For instance, you might enter a name like Game, Desktop, or Starting Soon depending on what you plan to use this scene for. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to confirm. Now that you've created your scene, it's time to add content to it. Navigate to Sources in the bottom left area. Click the plus icon to reveal a list of available source options. You'll see several choices here such as Game Capture, Display Capture, Window Capture, Video Capture Device, Image, or Browser. Each of these sources serves a different purpose depending on what content you want to display in your scene. For this example, select Display Capture from the list. This option is particularly useful when you want to show everything that's happening on your screen. After selecting Display Capture, a new window will open. Look for the Display option and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From here, select your preferred display from the list of available monitors connected to your computer, then click OK to apply your selection. Once the Display Capture source is added to your scene, you might notice it needs some adjustment. You can resize it if needed by dragging the corners of the capture frame. This gives you control over how much of your screen is visible in the scene. The display capture will now show your entire monitor, making it perfect for tutorials, presentations, or any content where you need to share your full screen. Next, let's customize how your scenes transition from one to another. Navigate to Scene Transitions and click the drop-down menu. You'll see several options available such as Cut, Fade, Fade to Color, Slide, Swipe, and Luma Wipe. Select your preferred scene transition from this list. These transitions determine how smoothly your content switches when you change scenes during a stream or recording. Below the transition type, you'll find the duration setting. Adjust the duration by clicking the small up and down buttons. This controls how long the transition takes to complete. Once you've configured your transition, click any scene to test how the scene transitions work. This helps you see if the timing and style match your preferences. If you ever need to rename your scene after creating it, the process is simple. Just right-click on the scene you want to rename, then select Rename from the context menu that appears. Enter your new scene name in the dialog box and click OK to save the changes. This keeps your scenes organized and easy to identify as your projects grow. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized scenes in OBS, giving you full control over your streaming and recording layouts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.